YouTube, what's going on? Kyle again from ePoolSupply. Today we are back for some quick fix videos on Hayward's Navigator V-Flex. This is a suction side pool cleaner. We're going to show you guys how to completely rebuild as well as do some basic quick fixes on the cleaner. Stay tuned. All right guys, and we're back. So again today we've got some quick fix videos for you guys on Hayward's Navigator. This is the V-Flex version meant for gunite in-ground pools. As you guys can see, I've got the thing torn apart already on the table. If you guys want to know how we got where we're at right now, make sure you guys check out the links in the description. We'll have a playlist for you guys on taking all those items off first. For today's video, I want to actually show you guys how to get this blue top handle assembly off. That's going to actually open up a few more screws here on the top, which will actually allow you guys to drop some of the internals out of the shell casing of the cleaner itself. So I found out it's a little easier once you guys actually remove the A-frame kit. You don't necessarily need to remove the lower middle body, but as you guys flip this over, you guys will see there's still another piece here, which is the upper middle body. You're not gonna have access to remove this until you guys actually take off the handle. So first thing that you're looking for is once you've actually removed the lower middle body and you removed the actual full A-frame kit with the pods and everything like that, you guys will notice that located right towards the front end of the cleaner, there are little blue tabs. So these little blue tabs are just push tabs that are helping this thing stay locked in. So I'm going to go ahead and work my way around and kind of pop them off. These are very difficult. If you guys need to use like a little screwdriver, you guys can use a little screwdriver. It might actually help in terms of getting it off. But I'm just going to go ahead and keep trying to use my fingers here. Slowly push them out. Again, it's going to have to pull towards the middle of the cleaner to be able to push them out. But once you guys actually get them, you'll notice here, you'll see the blue lid start to separate. So I'm going to go ahead and transfer it back over to the top and then just make your way to remove it. You'll notice that the back of the handle also has little hooks that will grab the back of the shell. So you guys do want to make sure that you kind of flow with it and you don't just try to yank it up and snap those clips off. Again, if it's broken already, you guys are going to be replacing it with a new one. So do as you may. But typically when you're going to replace one, or if you just need access to these screws, be gentle with it so you guys don't actually snap those plastic pieces off. So again, this is just a nice little handle that they put on here. It's a little design as well as a cover for these screws, which will actually get you guys access to that upper middle housing, which will actually also give you this main gear, which actually rotates your hoses and creates that nice, pretty tangle-free hose that you have on the top of your pool surface. So if you guys do want to know how to get to that, make sure you guys subscribe. We're going to have another video on tearing this thing apart once you get that blue handle off. So I really appreciate you guys watching. Just want to show you guys how to remove this and go ahead and replace it the same way. Just slides back in those pieces and snaps back on the lid. So really simple. And I really appreciate you guys watching. And until next time, I'm Kyle from ePoolSupply.